Here we go.
Let me introduce the functions of this machine to you. The first step is to plug in the slightly looser power supply first. This hand charger with a special comes with a USB port, can be powered on loose phone or something. Plug it in. Swipe the memory card. The memory card wears 64G. Plus GPS. GPS can locate track playback. Then plug in the rear camera. Are cameras and one AV lower port. Next, you can tear off this screen film. Before and after switching left and right. Shackle's emergency documents. This is the recording. Take a picture here. Video recording. Is playback file. This is a function button for posting orders. All functions are available here. Pull to the end and click on it. Scan with your mobile phone to download the app. Wi-Fi can be connected. View files in real time. Here it is. The sharing is over.